The pantry gave me a bag of black-eyed beans, 500 grams, and I decided to make this cute salad. Welcome to the Gabriela's Cooking Show. This is a Portuguese-inspired black-eyed bean salad with a vegan twist. First thing is to soak the beans overnight, then allow to boil in the pressure cooker. After rinse them well, they will go into the pressure cooker covered with water and seasoned with little salt. I bring them to a boil on a medium heat for about 15 minutes, then reduce the heat and let them cook gently for another 15 minutes. Switch them off and allow the steam to be slowly released. Open the pan, the pressure cooker, and it's ready. Let's see. They're ready, but it's time to go to the garden to pick up the freshest parsley. Ah, the smell. It smells already so good. Full tab of parsley, and some babies already here in January. Oh wow, what's coming up? And now the ingredients. Now I'm going to wash and disinfect my parsley because I just picked it up from my vegetable garden. Taking advantage of the skin of the tangerine for tea. I'm just squeezing tangerine. It is very acidic. It's a very natural organic tangerine, and I'm using for the sauce instead of lemon. It gives a more different aroma to the salad. They're very acidic. They're not sweet at all. And actually, that was the beginning of times. Fruit was acidic, was not extremely sweet. Even apples were very astringent and acidic. And full of seeds. Seeds are good. Nowadays, we just go to eliminate seeds from food, and it's a shame because we lose the opportunity to plant. So at this point, I'm going to put the seeds in the garden and allow the animals to eat them, and then maybe they will become another tree somewhere. We never know. Okay, I'm going just to take here, squash the pulp a little bit more so we have more juice. Here we have olive oil, tangerine juice of 2 tangerines, and oregano leaf oil. Just a little bit of salt. This is a fleur de sal. Here I have my spices, black pepper and turmeric. Then I have here mixed spices, and I have, I added already some salt there. Then I have oregano. Then I have here some ginger powder, cayenne pepper. I added a little bit more of oregano. It's different oregano, but I just put it there. And this is paprika. And I'm going to drop everything here, and I'm going to swipe it. Let's swipe our spices. There we go. No waste. This is a sustainable, conscious kitchen, and using all the spices, it's a gift. It's an opportunity. So let's mix everything. my beautiful plate. This is a Bordalo Pinheiro. Bordalo Pinheiro is a brand of ceramics made in Portugal, and they're very flamboyant and very beautiful. I'm completely in love with them. Like the biggest stems because I'm going to add them into soup. So you don't have to put everything. Oh, but now the perfume in my kitchen, it's to live for. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to take a picture. Inspired in a salad that we usually make in Portugal during summertime that is very fresh, but now it's winter, it's January, but actually it's Veganuary, so we can make this wonderful salad and we can make it warm, freshly cooked. And I did that actually, so it's still a little bit warm. And then I diced some onions, half an onion, parsley from the vegetable garden that I just freshly picked up, and then I made a wonderful sauce that is just a perfect dressing for the salad because it's warm and it's also anti-inflammatory, and it's very good for balancing as well all of the respiratory issues that are around, especially because of the onions. They are really good for your lungs and it try to expel mucus and all these things, and also with the oregano leaf oil that is helping to balance your lungs and to get rid of any mold if you ever been too exposed to mold. So we have so many things around us that are just so perfect, and especially the anti-inflammatory properties of the ginger, of the turmeric, you know, when you mix it with pepper, with black pepper. So I had all of these amazing spices that are being together and they're going to make this powerhouse anti-inflammatory dressing for just this wonderful salad that is packed with the nutrition and balancing ingredients for your body and soul, because it's absolutely delicious. Now let's mix it and let's try it. Come and join me. Now it's time to taste this deliciousness. And if you want this bite, don't forget to give you a like. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment. And please go and watch all of the videos of this Veganuary. I hope you like it. This is so good. Oh my God. This dressing is amazing. And to be honest, I was going to make another recipe with the black-eyed beans, but it is so good that I probably will make this again. It's so delicious. So good. Anyway, don't forget to check recipes on Veganuary playlist and let me know what you think. Will you make it? Will you empty your pantry? I hope you do. Served with love and bon appetit.